Hello children, I am Suchitra here. Welcome to our class third subject social. Children, today we are going to learn about the new topic is Chennai. Let's start the topic Chennai.
Chennai is situated on the east coast of India. It is the fourth largest city after Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Previously, it was called Madras. The East India Company was established at Chennai in 1639. The fort St. George was built in 1653, around which Georgetown grew. Georgetown is the old city. To the south of Georgetown is Anasalai. It is home to many offices. All the important offices of the state government are in Chennai.
Clothes. Since the weather is hot and humid, people mostly wear cotton cloths throughout the year. Woolen cloths are not needed here. The traditional dress of the man is the vesti and shirt. Women wear saris and blouses. Girls wear pavadi and blouse. However, these days, many of the women and girls in Chennai wear salwar, kameez or jeans and t-shirts. Most of men wear trousers and shirts. Rice is the staple food of the people in Chennai. They like to eat with rasam, sambar, poriyal and curd. Other popular dishes are idli, dosa, vada and upma. Kesari is a popular sweet dish in Chennai. Festivals in Chennai. All the most important Indian festivals are celebrated in Chennai. The harvest festival called Pongal. Pongal is the most popular festival in Chennai. It is celebrated for 3 days in January. Kartigai Deepam is another important festival celebrated in Chennai. Languages and cultures in Chennai. Most people in Chennai speaks Tamil and English also. English is commonly spoken in Chennai. The people of Tamil Nadu are proud to their traditional dance and music. Bharatanatyam is a well-known classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Carnatic music is the traditional music of the state. All kind of sports are played in the city. The people of Chennai enjoy playing cricket, football, tennis and chess. Climate of Chennai. Chennai is hot and humid throughout the year. The sea breeze during the day and the land breeze at night give people some relief from the hot weather. Chennai gets rain mainly in the months of October to December. This is the climate of Chennai. Industries in Chennai. Chennai has important industries like information technology, in short, IT, cotton textiles, and leather. There is an oil refinery too. It has factories which make cycles, cars, trucks, and railway coaches. Chennai has well-known film industry also.
Chennai is famous for its industries like cement, glassworks, iron, railway coach, petrochemical, textiles and apparels, automobile, etc. The famous tourist centers in the city are the Fort St. George, Santhome Church, Snake Park, Marina Beach. It is the longest beach in the country. Guindy National Park, Kapalishwar Temple, Sri Parthasarathi Temple, Government Museum, Belankadi Shrine, Birla Planetarium, Connemara Library with a collection of over 6 lakh books, Dakshin Charitra, etc. Chennai is also a port. The film industry in Chennai is very famous. It is the base for Tamil film industry known as Kollywood. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory. It is the capital of the territory as well as the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. This city was planned by the French architect Le Corbusier. The city is divided into several sectors. The Rock Garden in Chennai is a very interesting place to visit. Here you will see thousands of animal and humanoid figures, miniature houses and turrets. All these things are made from waste objects like broken ceramics, electrical wire, sockets, bangles, etc. This famous and unique garden was made by Nek Chand.
Children, did you know the famous chess player Vishwanathan Anand and A.R. Rahman, the music composer, are from Chennai? And M.S. Subbalakshmi, the famous Carnatic singer, was also from Chennai. So children, this is your chapter Chennai. Children, in this lesson we learned about Chennai, clothes and climate of Chennai, festivals, industries and cultural and languages of Chennai, and also what are the tourist attractions places in Chennai. So children, this is your chapter Chennai. I hope you understand the lesson. I will come up with the next video. See you soon children. Thank you.